Hello everyone, so I'm back to trail running after a couple of videos of hikes. I'm going to be going up Kinder Scout and doing this as a run. I'm heading up Grindsbrook Clough, which is a really fantastic route up Kinder Scout. I think in my very first video I featured Kinder Scout and I came up from Hayfield, whereas this time I'm coming from Edale up Grindsbrook Clough along the plateau, and then I'll be heading back down along the Pennine Way and Jacob's Ladder. It's a really great route, so yeah, really encourage you to go take a look at it and perhaps do it for yourself one day. So I've made my way up Grindsbrook Clough, and now I'm just going to do the final climb and scramble up onto the Kinder Scout plateau. Up here, but you can just see my route down from the plateau and back into Edale as well. So I've come down from Jacob's Ladder now. I'm just heading along the Pennine Way back to Edale. It's been a really good run actually. I mean, it was pretty cold up at the top there with the wind, but you know, it's just one of those things, you've got to still get out, haven't you? So yeah, just running along the valley now, back to Edale.